Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today is all about the JBL 650BT. Whoa, it's something which is so awesome. And for further ado, let's get started. Whoa, it's the white one. So this is the 650BT and it's the white one and it's live. It's a live one, so if you know it's live, that means you know you get that kind of great and amazing transparency and bunch of features. Matter of fact, this one has an active noise cancellation. Without further ado, let's get started. Let's unbox this bad boy and experience. Is it much better than the live 500BT? And if you didn't check out the live 500BT, I don't know what you're waiting for, my brother. Just click this card here up and go directly and check it out. It's really kind of an amazing, impressive review we did, and it's really kind of awesome. And this one, we're about just to review it and unbox it and give you a much better full review out of it. So let's get started. Whoa, there we have it. Gonna just unbox it and see what's packed. And it's really kind of awesome, kind of 650BT. Woo. There we go. So here we have it. Let us just unbox it. Woo. Damn, the white version looks so dope. Looks like stealth mode from Star Wars, something which is so great. As you can see, guys, it's really kind of awesome. See here what's packed here. This is a micro USB. You remember the other one was using a same kind of micro USB, but this one uses the same micro USB. I thought that it uses the Type C, but it's great still. And what's packed here, it's the same cable. It's 2.5mm with that kind of jack, and it's really kind of impressive. Another kind of stuff, last but not least, we're having this kind of bad boy, and I think when we open here, I'm gonna keep this on my side first, and let's see what's here. Woo! This one we're getting like a pouch. Impressive. There's nothing else here. Where are the paperworks? Whoa, they're inside the pouch. So here we have it. These are the paperworks. You can see 650BT there with Google Assistant and Amazon Alexa. And as some of you guys didn't know, even the live 500BT uses the Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant same. And this is the pouch, so if you're like traveling or something, you can just keep them inside. Let's talk about this kind of 650BT. It's really kind of impressive. You can see how much it looks like. It's looking very nice. The only downside about the white colors, which I hate about it, they get dirty very quickly. But on this kind of material, it feels like it won't get dirty, but I'm shocked and pumped because if this kind of cushion gets dirty, you can see directly the dirtiness on this kind of pouch, which it's the downside, I think. So the color out of it, it's really kind of easy to get dirty. You can see on this kind of material, if you keep it on your head that much longer, and if you have oily on your head, you can get it that very quickly. But overall, it's a really kind of great and amazing kind of color, and it's really kind of awesome. And let's test it and see how much the music it picks throughout 650BT. So yeah, okay guys, right now we are testing the 650BT and see how much it's packed. You can see here it's turning it on. Yeah, it's on. The downside about this kind of earphones now is to differentiate where is left and right. I guess this is left and right. That's the kind of problem I was getting throughout the live 500BT. You can see how much they're resting. Really cool. You can see that, how much they stay. Awesome. You can see here. Really kind of great. Pair them on the phone one time and see how much they are packed. Tap out once.
It's 9:05 p.m. You don't have any new notifications at the moment.
You can hear, guys. Now the Google Assistant start talking, and she has amazing features. Whoa, dang. To be honest, there is a bigger difference using the 500BT and 650BT. They're all looking alike. Everything, if you see them left and right, you see them, they're all looking alike. But the only difference is the bass and how the music is playing. There is quite small, slightly bass. Here are the specs of the JBL 650BT. It has a 40mm drivers, a built-in rechargeable battery, it lasts for up to 30 hours of playback, and a swivel and foldable ear cups, something which is so great. Includes a stereo connector cable, active noise cancellation, ambient aware, lets noise in when needed, which it's really kind of robust, multi-point connection supports, which supports only for 2 devices, a built-in microphone from hands-free calls, and works with Google Assistant and Alexa, something which is so brilliant about this kind of 650BT. Another kind of stuff, it's the long battery life. It supports up to 20 hours of battery life. So the built-in rechargeable battery can deliver up to 30 hours of playback with an ANC turned off. If you want Bluetooth and ANC on simultaneously, you'll still get up to 20 hours of battery life. In a rush, the 650BT headphones can provide with you up to 2 hours of playback with just 15 minutes of charge. I'm impressed, guys, on this kind of 650BT. It's a really kind of impressive kind of headphones. If you want them to be your daily kind of drive, they're really kind of awesome. The music which you get, it's really kind of great. The only downside, if you're selecting the white color, just know that it will get dirty, and if it gets dirty, you'll just find it very not in a great kind of way. You just hit them, toss them away, or try to clean them and bring more dirty on that kind of material. So I think these kind of headphones, they really need a lot of cleanness. So it doesn't need you just to toss them around, stay here and there, but they're really kind of brilliant headphones. So that's what's up about the review of today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed on this kind of review of the JBL 650BT. It's really kind of impressive kind of headphones. They're really on the go. They're really kind of giving you bunch of juicy to enjoy that kind of great and amazing content. If you're listening to your podcast on the go, it's really kind of awesome. Last but not least, I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next one. You're new here, consider subscribing to Homeboy here. And last but not least, I'll be seeing you guys on the next one. As always, stay sharp and creative. Kudos, guys. Peace.